The breakfast and luggage drop is slated to be between 7 to 8 in the morning, followed by briefing at 8:15, and the ride out will happen at 8:30. The first major point from Zainabad is Vachhada Dada Temple, and from there on we will cut through the Chota Run of Kutch to Rapar onwards to Dholavira. I'd be leaving for Dholavira today and standing outside the cottage. It's a 5.5 hours journey from here, and I was told that the ride is going to be a little treacherous for around 60 to 70 kilometers patch. Let's see what we encounter. The cameras are going to be on, but it is going to be completely dusty, and a very adventurous ride lies ahead of us. So see you soon on the road. Riding in the dry run is quite tricky. So how does one ride through this? There are basically markings, and the markings will be seen in form of deep trudges around the road, and sometimes there are some small flags that have been placed. So in case if somebody loses sight of the trudges or the flag, one needs to understand that they have lost their way. Since the entire dry desert is surrounded by small towns and villages, we might end up where we started. So it is extremely important to follow this particular trail of the flags or the deep trudges that we ride towards. Going through such a terrain, थोड़ा बहुत फोटो शूटो और शो ऑफ तो बनता ही है।
लास्ट वाला अच्छा है, थोड़ा लास्ट का पार्ट।
हाँ,
इसमें मैं रुक गया था। दिस वाज वेरी नाइस शॉट।
आते समय ना,
सिर्फ मैं रुका था ना।
हाँ,
इवन ये इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी मैं ले लूँ ना।
हाँ, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा नीचे लेवल से लिया। अच्छा दिखता था ऐसा। For a long distance, one might feel that we are going in the right direction, and sometimes, due to mirage, we might feel that there is a town ahead of us. But it's misleading. So it's extremely important for us to ride with a lot of concentration and keep our eye on the road ahead. The most scenic part of this ride was riding past a 8-kilometer long bridge known as the Khadir Bait Road with the infinite white desert on both my sides. This place is totally unexplored and the route is hidden and unknown to many a tourist. Have you ever been to the moon? No worries, come with me onto the white crystals of the desert, or should I say moon?
Okay, sir. Bye bye.
Well, let me know whether it resembles walking on the moon or not. The landscape of this place was mesmerizing and immense. We were all enjoying it. However, we have to cover the rest of the distance to reach the resort, and there was quite some distance to cover.